Alright, you guys asked for it. I'm gonna take this. It has been requested from a few of you guys. You've been asking for truck content, so I'm gonna give you a little truck vlog. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hop in here. It's a mess. Please excuse the mess, because I do pretty much daily this thing. If I'm not driving it, Laura's driving it. We drive this a lot. Actually, I think she drives it more than I do. I secretly think, actually, I know she likes the truck more than she likes the Cobra. That's gone, and check engine light. We will get to that, but first, I gotta go run a few errands, and I got some things I need to do. Then I'll probably go skating. But I'm gonna give you guys a truck vlog. I don't really know where this vlog's gonna end up, but we'll go over what that check engine light is. I also need your help too, because that one just showed up again. I'm gonna ask you guys for a little bit of help too. Some of you ask for truck vlogs and you guys want to see more with the F350, and then a few of you guys are asking for track videos. I did get one track video with the Cobra. We are definitely going to get a track video with the GT500. We're going to get that for you guys, don't worry. I'm just trying to find the right time. I really don't want to take it to Mason-Dixon, but I'm probably most likely going to end up taking it. The reason why I don't want to take it to that track is because the traction there and the prep, I feel like, isn't as good as some of the other tracks. I felt like I got better traction on the street than I did the track. That water box was basically a giant pond, and you know, you got that big pond, everybody's driving through it because you couldn't even drive around that water box, and then you're dragging all that water down the track. So the track was essentially wet. That was my only gripe about it, but you know what, I still had a blast. As far as needing your help, I was gonna ask you guys on ideas for truck vlogs. I need ideas because I don't know what to do with the truck. I mean, I post videos whenever I'm having issues with it, and then I think I did a video of everything that's done to it, more of like a review style video, and then, you know, doing mods to the truck. But as far as like using the truck, what would you guys like to see me do? Just comment below, what would you guys like to see with the truck? I know a few of you guys are gonna be like, I don't want to see truck vlogs, we want to see the GT500 or Cobra. And then there's gonna be a couple guys saying they just want to see Laura, which I can understand that. That's my question for this video. What do you guys want to see with the truck? If you're new, it's a 2006 Lariat F350. It's on 35s. I believe it's just a leveling kit. I don't think it's a lift kit. It's been bulletproofed. It's got the EGR delete, studded, all that good stuff. It's the factory Garrett turbo, but it's got the Wicked wheel housing on it. 6-inch downpipe, exhaust, tuner on it. It doesn't roll coal. There's no black smoke. There may be a little tiny bit, but not a lot. I failed to mention steering wheel cover. I picked this up at Walmart, this custom steering wheel mod, and let me say, this thing was a pain in the butt to put on. I should have made a full video on this. I could have DVP'd that one right there. Full video on putting on a steering wheel cover. He's known for the air freshener and floor mat videos. Uh-oh. Look at this thing. That's a race car right there. He just stepped on it. I blew past him, and I was even in my water and gas. Uh-oh, I had to pull over here. Look at that. I actually really like that color. Look, a Camaro. That's pretty nice. I was looking for a GT500. Bam. Right there. They got one. Now, I can't make you any promises or guaranteed it's going to be a good price. Hey, hon.
Someone's doing a burnout in your burnout spot.
Really?
I can hear them, yeah.
It's not me.
Someone's definitely over there doing burnouts.
You should find out what kind of car it is, or go over there with your cell phone and get a video. Okay. Alright. That happens sometimes. We get people that comes over to the burnout spot. I don't know how they find it, but we'll get a few people every once in a while that come over to my burnout spot. I call it my burnout spot. But they'll come over to the spot where I do all my burnouts. And we hear people every once in a while go over there. And one time I went over there and it was a subscriber. As soon as I saw it was a Mustang, I was just like, all right. I knew right away. I was like, it had to be one of you guys.
Going to get some food, and we heard someone doing a burnout in JD's spot. So we came over to do some investigating, and we found a subscriber. And now JD is making new friends, and someone's going home with a shirt, I'm sure. If you're gonna come over and do a burnout in my spot, you have to send me the video footage so I can post it on here to share with everyone else. That's just my only rule. Let's get to this check engine light. The reason why the check engine light came on, and I have the tuner, that's how I check my check engine. The code, I'll pop it right up here. Basically it was cylinder 8, glow plug circuit open, something like that, something along the lines of that. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna have my buddy Nick, he's gonna replace all 8 glow plugs and in the glow plug harness. Then while he has the vehicle, I'm gonna just have him go through everything and do like a service, change all the fluids, oil, and all that stuff. But that was the main reason. And then I had a brake caliper like completely shatter on me, so I had to replace a brake caliper the other day. But as far as that, like the truck, it has like these little like weird things, but it's like a bunch of small simple things, I feel. Look who we ran into. If you guys remember the video that we did with her, did you see how many views it's up to now? It's like up to 900,000. We're gonna hit 1 million views on that video. Yeah, next month.
When are we gonna do another video together? Eventually, right?
Yeah.
We gotta get Dylan. He's over here. He's our UPS man over here. I was just giving him a hard time earlier because he was telling me when he delivers my packages, he kicks them and just throws them, you know, the whole way down the driveway just because he can't wait to see the open box videos. UPS. So this is Winchester Roller Rink. I told Ed I'd give him a little plug in here. So every Tuesday night, if you guys live in Winchester area, it's only $3 to come roller skate. You help out here too, don't you? She does volunteer work. Did you want to tell him like if what he does for nice looking young women?
Get in for free.
You get free admission. So.
Are you fucking you fucking recording?
Oh, the train horns are awesome. She's making dinner. What?
You're too late. Sorry.
Oh, what is he doing? I'm not too late. It's not ready yet. What do we got? Spinach over here, chicken over there. What are you making, hon?
Hey, breakfast. You missed dinner.
Whatever. She got spaghetti squash in there. Guess who I saw at the skating rink?
Haley?
How'd you know?
Because doesn't she work there?
Yeah. Did you find out who did the burnout?
All I know is that it was a CTSV and an S2000. All thanks to Courtney Nicole 91.
It was an S2000 and a CTSV. And did you tag her? Or, oh, she commented?
She told me it was a CTSV and an S2000. Because she commented, I know who it was.
Awesome. And then you...
Because I said we were too late.
Awesome.
By the time we loaded up the kids, or by the time I loaded up the kids, because you were roller skating.
Oh my gosh. So we missed the burnout.
By the time I got over there, they were gone. Look at all that rubber.
Yeah, it's a good burnout.
See? He was like, look at all this, mama. Look what they left behind.
Can you do a burnout in that thing? This little guy's just obsessed with light switches.
Holy moly, that.
Looks good, babe. Did a good job.
Oh, thanks.
We're gonna go ahead, wrap this up, eat our dinner, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, let me know what you want to see us do with the truck
And is there anything else you want to add? And oh, we also got the clips. We just literally got the clips from the little burnout and donuts from the 2 cars.
Logan kept saying those noises were him.
Oh yeah.
He was like, I told you it was me, Mama, when we went over there and no one was there.
That's funny. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.